So today we will complete our extrude command, new part, OK. And from here, I would be taking MMNS solid. Okay. I will click on OK so that a part file will open. Now the guys who are working on the version less than 7, for them you will notice that this specific planes which are there are not in isometric. Have you noticed it, everyone? या नहीं?
Yes, right.
नहीं notice किया. Okay, notice करो, just notice करो that these planes are not in isometric. The default setting is trimetric. So for that, what you need to do is you need to come in file, you need to come in options. In file options, you need to come in model display. Okay, file options, model display, and in model display here you have default model orientation, which is presently isometric. So for I think 7 they have given this isometric thing, but for you guys, if you are working on a lower version, then you will notice that the model orientation is trimetric. Okay, let me save this config. Okay, it is something like this. Okay, just notice it. If it is like this, come in file, come in options, come in model display, and from here default model orientation, change it to isometric. Fine. This is one setting what we have to do if you are working on the earlier version, so that isometric becomes simple for us for visualizing. Okay. Yesterday we have seen how we can see the names of these planes over here. Does anybody remember that? File, options, then we need to come in.
Configuration
Editor,
Yes, yes.
configuration.
Configuration editor, then you need to find for the tag, go for planes tag, and in planes tag, you set it to yes, so that these names will be seen. Super fine. Now let us sketch something on our front plane. So I am saying here sketch, and I am clicking on my front plane, and I am clicking on sketch. Now here you will notice that this sketch plane is not becoming parallel, right? I need to click on this button. When I click on this button, sketch view, it will become parallel, but that's a pain, guys. It's a pain. So one more setting I will do over here. As soon as I click on sketch, as soon as I click on plane, the model should reorient itself. So for that, I'm coming in file, coming in options, and in options, now I need to come in Sketcher. After coming in Sketcher, come down over here, and here Sketcher Startup. Activate this button. Make the sketching plane parallel to the screen. Okay, just activate this button. Fine. And also we are going to activate these two buttons. You already know these two buttons, right? It is going to lock the dimensions what we are going to give. Fine. So I locked it, I checked these two buttons so that my dimensions will be locked. I manually need not lock it, and then I am checking this button, make the sketching plane parallel to the screen. Now because of this, just check what will happen. I am saving this config. Because of this, now what is going to happen if I am clicking on sketch, I am clicking on this front plane, and I click on this sketch button. So one task is saved. There is no need of making it parallel. Okay. Understood, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, the new guys who are new to Creo, I mean to say, have you yesterday practiced the extrude tool? नए बंदे like Shreni,
Yes, sir.
Sachin. These are new ones.
Yes, sir.
You have practiced. Did you encounter
Yes, sir.
any issues?
No, sir.
Very
No,
good.
sir.
Very good. I am making all these guys equal. Okay. Okay, I think they are equal. Good. Is this and this equal? Yes, it is also equal. Fine. Everything has become equal. Let me make this and this also equal. Okay, good. Now, let me dimension this. This is over here. Let's say it's 50. So everything became 50. Now let me dimension this guy. I want to dimension this, but because of this equal, it's not getting. Let me make this 100. Okay. I think this is not equal. This and this should be equal. Why? Why? Equal this guy and this guy. Why it's not becoming equal? This
सर वो 100 वाला डायमेंशन दिया
100 वाला डायमेंशन तो ये है, वर्टिकल डायमेंशन है. Is it because of
किसी
this
और के साथ
50?
equal है,
हाँ
किसी और के साथ इक्वल है वो.
हाँ, किसके साथ इक्वल है वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. लेट मी चेक इट. ओके, तो ये बंदा 100 कैसे बन गया है? ये और ये मैंने इक्वल किया है, या ये और ये मैंने इक्वल किया है, उसकी वजह से मुझे ये और ये इक्वल करना था. लेट मी नाउ मेक इट. ओके, ये और ये इक्वल. अरे यार. ओके, चल. ओके, fine. So now I think everything has been done. Now I am clicking on OK, standard orientation, and now I am clicking on extrude. I need extrusion in both the directions, symmetry directions. Okay, so I came over here and I clicked on symmetry. This is a blind extrusion which will go in one side. Either this side it will go, or if I click here, either this side it will go. Okay, I can flip the directions in this way or this way. Okay, and if I am clicking on this button over here, this is a symmetrical extrusion. Whatever we are typing over here, for example, if I am typing 100, then what will happen is half, that is 50, will be in one side and 50 will be on another side. What we had symmetry button in our CATIA. Okay, simple, fine till here. I want answers particularly from new guys. Everything fine till here? Hey, naye
Yes,
bande?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now after creating one feature, this is called as a feature. Okay, this extrusion is called as a feature. Okay, after creating one feature, whatever faces we have over here, all are my sketch planes. So there is no need of working on these planes now. You can hide them. Okay, if at all if at all you require them, you can sketch on them, but still you can go ahead and you can click on any face, and that face will be made as your sketch plane. As like now what I am doing here, I am clicking on sketch and I want to draw a circle over here, so that I am drilling that circle. Okay, I am making a drill of it. I am creating a hole of it. Okay, so I sketched on this specific plane, and now I want to create a circle at this specific location. Okay, so I created this circle. Fine. This needs to be 50, and this needs to be kitna, let's say 200. Okay, and the radius of this circle I need it as 60. Fine, done. I'm clicking on OK. Now the new guys are going to answer. This is for a hole I have prepared. I am going to drill that hole, and that hole should be till this location. Are you getting my question?
Yes, sir.
This is for the hole I have created, and this hole should be till this location. So what I need to do is I need to find out the distance from this edge to this edge. For that, I am coming here and I am coming in sketch. I am clicking on edit definition. Okay. So this distance is how much? This distance is 50. Fine. So I found out that distance. And now after finding that distance, I am clicking on extrude. This same guy extrude is going to give us a what you say, a hole also. It is going to add a material as well as it is going to remove a material. Now I am telling this guy I want to remove a material of 50 mm. So I typed here 50, and because I want to remove the material of this guy, I am clicking on remove material so that the material is removed. I need to select that item. The item has not got selected. Select one item, which is this item. Okay. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Now see my next question. And everyone understood how you are going to pocket it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, new guys, there's a question for you. I'm coming in the sketch. I'm editing the sketch, edit definition. Now let me change this to 100. Okay, I changed it to 100. I'm clicking on OK. After clicking on OK, what will happen to my hole? What do you think? New bandas.
होल डायमेंशन चेंज रहेगी शायद.
चलो देखते हैं. Saw that the whole dimension didn't got updated.
सेम रह गया, I think.
सेम रहेंगे, राइट? वो सेम रहेंगे. हमने उनको
ओह सॉरी उसका वो चेंज नहीं किया था ना.
राइट, हमने होल को चेंज नहीं किया था. we had what edited this length, right? So now your design engineer has told you, Shreni, make it 100. You made this 100, but the hole should lie till here. So what you will do, you will come in extrude, you will click on edit dimension, or you will click on edit definition, and you will change this to 100, right? And you will click on OK. Fine. That day is over. The other day he is coming, our design engineer, and he is telling, oh Sachin, this is not 100, you make it 50 यार. कल का ही design client ने approve किया है. So again you will come here, you will click on this guy, and instead of now 100, you will make this guy to 50. You will click on OK. But now what about the hole? The hole is still of how much? The hole is still of 100. You will notice it over here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So again, I need to put this guy to 50, and I click on OK. Again that guy is coming, he is saying, nahi yaar, 50 jam nahi raha hai, it's not fitting, change it. Unless and until we don't have a solution, the design always keeps on changing. There will be like thousands of possibilities. And that's why this software came in picture. Your Creo or Katia, Unigraphics, SolidWorks, they came in picture because of this. Now see smartly how you are going to work. This hole, what is the property of this hole? That this specific hole should be till this location. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I am not concerned with the dimension, guys. I am not concerned with the dimension. I am just telling my engineer that ये जो hole है, ये यहाँ तक ही है. I am not telling him the dimension. So in that same way, in Creo, edit definition, instead of adding this blind extrusion or blind removing of material, I will tell Creo that this should be till a specified surface or till a next surface. Extrude up to a next surface. Can you see this button now? For the first base feature, this button was not there. There was only blind extrusion, symmetrical extrusion, and up to a plane extrusion, up to a selected plane extrusion. Okay. But now what I have with me is up to a next surface. Because of this up to a next surface, check what will happen. This thing will go off. You cannot type a value. I will click on OK. Now I have told this hole that whatever it may be, you should remain up to the next surface. So I created my hole at this location. I created this circle and I told him go till the next surface. So what he is going to do? He is going to find the next surface from here. Next surface is still here. So he drilled till that location. Okay, fine. Now let's try to change the dimension. Edit definition. And let us try to change this to 100, what we did earlier. Click on OK. There is no need to change the whole dimension. Got it? Guys, did you follow?
Sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So you should work in this way. You should work smartly. So up to a next surface, what this guy is going to do, he will find the next surface and he is going to do that thing till there. It is not only for sorry, yes.
Sir, can you repeat it?
Yes, I will.
I have doubt, sir.
I will repeat it. दूसरे इस पे दिखाता हूँ. Now this is not only for removing of material, it is also for adding of material. For example, now I am saying sketch on this plane. Sketch. And now let's say I am creating a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle like this. I am not constraining it. I am leaving it as it is. Now the property of this rectangle is it is having the extrusion, adding of material till this location. Again, not concerned with the dimension. So now what I will do, I will click on extrude. This extrusion is till this surface, which is the next surface. So here I will click on up to next surface. So this guy is going to push that material up to next surface. And because of this, what is going to happen? I am coming in this sketch. I am editing the definition of this sketch. And now I am changing this to might be 150. Now this gap has got 150. Okay. And because we told this bar that you should be till the next surface, you will notice that this bar got adjusted. Understood? This is fine for adding of material also, and you will notice that it is fine for removing of material also. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The guy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
किसको आ गया था क्वेश्चन? सचिन?
ओके सर, समझ में आ गया सर.
समझ में आ गया ना? पक्का? Okay, good, very good. Now, guys, next thing. Now, there is something called as up to last. That is, this specific hole is drilled till the last surface. It is a through and through hole. So, for that, what I need to do is, I need to come here in extrude. I am clicking on edit definition for this hole. And now I am telling this hole that you are a through and through hole. That is, it is going to intersect with all the surfaces. So this, it is going to intersect with all the surfaces. Now, whatever dimension changes over here, I am not bothered at all. Let us try to change that dimension. This is 100. Let us push this guy to 200. Now you will notice that the hole has got updated. There is no need of looking at where my hole is, or like changing the dimensions of the hole. Understood? And same thing, it is going to happen for this extrusion. If I am clicking on edit definition and I am telling him I don't want it up to a surface, I want it up to next surface, up to the last surface. Now last surface, which is this surface, it will come till that surface up to last. See this. Okay, getting it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Let us try to edit the definition of this. Instead of 200, let's make this 50. Click on OK. You will notice that hole got updated, that is removing of material got updated, as well as this guy also got updated. Okay, so they are flexible, they are getting adjusted as per the thing I am telling them. Okay, now let me try to edit this sketch, edit definition. I want to add one more surface over here. Let's try to add this surface. This will not get an extrusion obviously because these are open ends. So delete segments. I will delete this segment and now everything is fine. Okay. Just notice this, guys. Even if I am adding a new surface, then also everything will be updated. Got it? So like carelessly I can work. Fine. Now, two things are there. Either my hole, is this the hole? Yes, this is the hole. Either my hole is going up to the next surface, which is like this, or it is going up to the last surface, right? But I need my hole till this location. I need my hole till this location. So it is neither last, it is neither next. So they have given us a next thing that is up to a plane, up to a selected surface. Okay, click on this guy, up to a selected surface. Okay, this guy up to a selected surface, and you can select a surface. You can select a surface and click on OK. So your hole came till this location. Okay, up to a selected surface. Fine. Same thing I can do for this guy also. I will come over here. I will click on edit definition and I will tell him I need it up to a selected surface. Okay. Now this guy and this guy will act as the same. I will just show you. I will click on this guy up to a selected surface and I will tell him that this is my selected surface. See here. Okay. So these two guys presently are acting as the same. A bit difference is there between these two guys. A bit difference. I will show you that difference afterwards. Okay. But till this point, you have understood everything.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Good. So now can you list out how many types of extrusions are there in Creo? What is the first one?
Blind extrusion.
Blind.
Blind. Very good. Blind extrusion. Then next is? Sorry?
Next surface.
नहीं, उसके पहले
Mirrored extent.
mirrored extension. Okay. Symmetry. Fine. Symmetrical extrusion. Then third, what you said abhi. कौन सा? Up to
Up to next.
up
Next
to
surface.
Right. Up to next surface. उसके बाद
Up to last.
up to last. Good. फिर उसके बाद
Up to selected.
up to a selected surface. Okay. Now there are two things. One is a plane and another is a surface. One is a plane, another is a surface. What is the difference between a plane and a surface? New guys will answer. What is the difference between a plane and a surface? Guys, सोना मत, जिंदा हो जाओ सारे. ओके, ओल्ड गाइज में से कोई? एनीवन फ्रॉम ओल्ड?
सर सरफेस कर्व्ड भी हो सकता है.
बराबर, सरफेस कर्व्ड रहता है. ओके, सरफेस कर्व्ड रहता है. एनीथिंग विच इज कर्व्ड कैन बी अ सरफेस. एंड अ प्लेन will be always
इन फ्लैट रहता है.
straight. Okay, it will be always flat rather. Okay, it can be inclined but it is flat. Okay, see, जैसे कि like this is inclined but this is flat, so this becomes a plane. This guy presently, अरे यार चल सीधा हो जा. हाँ, हो गया सीधा. Okay, think this as सीधा. This guy is straight but it is curved, so it is a surface. Okay, understood guys?
Yes.
Shirni,
Yes, sir.
शिरनी सो गई क्या? ये कहाँ गई रे?
नहीं सर, नहीं नहीं सोई.
रूबल, रूबल
ये सो गए.
सो गया, सो गया. बराबर पकड़ा उसको.
मुझे पता था सर, मैं भी बोलने ही वाला था रूबल.
Okay, see guys, now this guy, this block, I want it till this guy. Now if I am saying this, okay, it's happening. If I am saying this, अरे यार, ओके कैंसिल कर देता हूँ. कहाँ गया एक्सट्रूड? ओके, एक्सट्रूड यहाँ पर है, इसे एक्सट्रूड करना है. क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस एरो, ये बाजू एक्सट्रूड करना है. नाउ आई एम कमिंग ऑन दिस गाय. ओके, एक्सट्रूड अप टू अ सिलेक्टेड सरफेस एज. आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस गाय. डन. ओके, now let me go for the next thing. Extrude this guy. I think it will extrude actually. Let's see if it is extruding or not. Okay, it's going, it's going. It's not like Katia. It's not like Katia. Now we need to really find out the difference. Just give me today's day and I will find out the difference between these two. Presently it's going the same. Presently it's the same. But here with selected surface, yeah, just notice this guys, this extrusion is still a selected surface. Okay, only a surface, but this specific extrusion can go till a selected surface, edge, vertex, anything like that. For example, now if I am saying up to a selected surface which is this edge, it should actually go till there. See there. Understood the difference between both?
Yes.
Huh? It,
Yes,
can
sir.
go, it can go till the edge. This guy,
Yes,
huh? This guy can go till the edge, or it can go till a vertex point. Okay, see here, it can go till a vertex point, or it can go. What all options are there? Surface, edge, vertex, quilt, body, curve plane, axis, or a point. So if at all I create some point at this location, then it can go till that point also. And this specific guy is going to go only till the surface. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is a good kind of, I can say, option. They have given us lot many options like a edge, a surface, a vertex, a body, quilt, curve, plane, axis. Let's try to prepare one plane. I will cancel this. I am just preparing one plane. Till this location. Okay. This plane should actually go up, and now I am telling this extrusion as edit definition, and I am telling this extrusion that you be till a specific plane, which is this plane. Okay, that is the difference between both the guys. Okay, a ready-made surface, if I have with me, then I can, sorry, if a ready-made surface I have with me, I can use this. If at all I want a plane point edge, I can go till here, I can select a specific edge or a vertex point or something like that, and then I can extrude it. Fine, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So practice these things today. Tomorrow we are going to learn something about file management, which is also an important thing in Creo. Something about file management, and then Friday comes. Okay, ठीक है.